Melbourne, dito mo sa slope. Uy, baro na. Wala?
This here?
Oh.
Okay?
Ooh.
Gonna swim?
I think once you're in. Good morning, everyone. It's our second day sa ating camping. Good morning.
Good morning.
Kakagising lang namin, guys, and oh my god, it's so good to wake up. Just, have a look. See, ito yung makikita mo. Oh my goodness, look. See, pagkagising mo, yan yung makikita mo, and you can probably hear it sa background natin. Frogs. Kasi klaseng insekto. Last night, actually, we went to bed so late. So, yung mga kids pinatulog ko. And lumabas kami ulit Daddy Mike kasi doon sa may parang fire. Nag-usap-usap. And masok kami dito mga 1 o'clock na. It was very, very noisy. Yung mga, crickets and everything. How was your sleep, honey?
Good. It's weird that we gone to bed late and we're the first ones awake.
At alam niyo ba, pinasuot ko lang yan sa kanya ngayon. But she went to bed without clothes. Kasi, napakainit. Ito siya, tingnan niyo. Nagnapi lang. Tapos, inopen ko, unbutton ko tong niya. Kasi, grabe, sobrang init, guys. Makabuang ang kainit. Nag-cool down na siya. Basang-basa yung buhok niya. Pawis.
Yeah.
Morning, Daddy.
Morning.
And how's your experience in tent?
That was great.
Yeah?
How's your experience in tent, Mommy?
Good.
What?
Sa labas tayo sa ating tent. So, today, yung agenda natin, guys, is I can't see without my glasses. There's someone there. Someone there talking. I can't see because I don't have my glasses. Tignan niyo guys, 36? Oh, wow. Morning, Nanay C.
Good morning. I'm coming.
You're coming. You're coming, are you? Are you? Ngayon lang nagising. Come on! Come! Good morning. This is very wet man. Oh, tingnan. Come on, Carrie. Early in the morning, nanambalay si Inday. So you gonna give it to Ate? Give it to Ate Tarawa. Sige, bit sa yung manghunte. Uy, you do it here outside, anak. Kaya nanambalay, buntag sa'yo. Pananutbash kami. Hi, do you wanna come in? Come here. Where's Ate?
Where's Daddy's shoe?
Ate's shoe?
Yeah.
She's wearing it. Isn't she?
Where's Daddy's shoe?
She's wearing it. Look. See? See? She's wearing it. See? I'm just peeling apple for Ate Paris, guys.
I want to see
I'm loving this camping life.
I want to see Daddy's shoes.
Ate is wearing her shoes. Look.
Black shoes.
The brown one.
Mommy, you shoe it.
Yeah, that's Mama's. This is so cool, guys. This camping thing. I'm so glad na in-invite kami dito ni Ate Michelle. Can you still hear the background noises? So, yung agenda natin for today is pupunta tayo ng ILOG. Mag-swimming tayo doon. So, meron dang river na mga 15 minutes drive galing dito. At malinis, sa sobrang linaw doon ng tubig. Maliligo kami. And we will set up like a gazebo, like a tent.
Is Michelle gonna cook rice, Bliss?
No, they're talking about rice na.
Want to do rice?
Yeah.
Rice. Gabi ka, Filipino na eh. Rice. Talking about rice.
Demanding me to do things. Is that what she's talking about?
She's saying that she can cook rice now. Come on.
Oh, yeah, after burning about 20 pots of rice, now she knows how to do it.
This is the first. Like, I wanna know. Paila, good shit eh. Paila, good shit na wala yung kaldero, guys.
Yan sa mga pobre in
Proof na proof. Proof of life. Really? Oh, what happened? What happened? Ate did it? Kawal ko, ate, be. Where's ate? Okay. Si ate! Come here.
Been doing exercise now, Mike. Very nice.
Yeah, nice.
What's wrong, Palangling?
So, Mummy.
What happened, ate?
Well, she put the stuff for marshmallows, and she never ate it.
Oh, don't eat it, lang. It's not marshmallows. Come here.
That's not marshmallows. Now the lullaby. It's a lullaby. It's a
Ano natin, ibugnaw ang lubot.
This is my seed.
That's nice.
This is my seed.
Yeah, nice seat. Okay. Thanks, sit down. Paris loves ladybug.
I like
ladybug
ladybug and caterpillars.
I like your necklace. Oh, very nice.
And mermaids. I like mermaids.
Atong tanaw ng giluto ni Ate Geraldine, be. Ay, sus. Naaamoy ko na. Nagluto sa Ate Geraldine og bulad, oh. Bulinaw. Baniti asa man da akong Ate Geraldine. Nawa man. Dari way mo reklamo nga baho sa kuan bulad, guys, kay walay silingan. Breakfast time. Ay, kalami eh.
Hindi na, day.
Thank you. Come on.
Ano si Daddy Mike?
Basa kay singot na wala silente oh. Mangligo.
Ambak na sa river nindot dito.
Ah. Come.
That's masala tree. Masala tree.
Paris.
Been a while.
A paper cut. I don't want any eggs.
Okay.
No, Mama. I know scared. My mama.
He goes.
Hi, guys. Can I say hi? Can I say hi? Hello. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Please subscribe.
The rice cooked nice.
To be part of the family. Boo boo. Bye-bye. I found it. It's cream. It's not
You
there.
found it?
Yeah. I found it.
Oh, you found the water. Come.
Yay! It's so
Where do you want to sit? Come here. We got our tuyo. What's this one? Onion? Ano ba to siya? I'm not sure. Ano to? Pusit? Rice, of course. And then sausages. And that. Si Daddy Mike natin ay nag-running, guys. Ewan ko kung asan.
Mommy,
But it looks so peaceful here. Beautiful.
Mommy,
Hmm?
remember we had the pizza shop?
Which one?
This.
Oh, yeah. I know. Yung mga kids, ready ko na kasi magsiswimming na kami sa sapa. Sa ilog. So, ngayon, nililinisan ko lang ang aking mukha, guys. Maglagay tayo ng sunscreen. And let's see. Habang nakaupo ako dito, guys, grabe yung pawis ko sa likuran. So, last night, wala na tayong skincare. Last night. Nag-ano lang ako eh. Hinugasan ko lang ang aking mukha and that's it. Kasi late na kaming tapos madilim man. Wala tayong mga ready ganyan. Mga serum lang sa kamukhaan. Sunscreen. Dalhin ko tong sunscreen. Kasi Kasi re-apply ko na lang doon.
A few moments later.
Si Paris has got her swimming gear on. Dito ko na siya binihisan kasi ito yung nadala ko. Oh, long sleeve ba? Mainit. But this one here, tingnan nyo. Oh. Nak, what are you wearing lang? Swimsuit. So here is the river. Super peaceful. Come out na. Just leave the stuff there lang. Oh, I'll put the sunscreen on. Okay.
I'm gonna bring my elf out.
So hold Ati's hand. Hold Ati's hand.
How about you have
Go hold Ati's hand. I need you to bring your water, Ate. Here.
snake?
Snake. Ito kami dadaan. So ba? Have a look at this. Mura na magbukid na mo Suba. Tina, limatok dari ti? Ha? Na limatok? Ha?
Ay, padula nang duha kay murag gid.
Oo. Oh, kanang manlaba ka sa among kuan suba sa una guys. Ingani jud. So peaceful. Wow, bis, try the water, bis. Okay, kabugnaw sa tubig. Yes, baby? Do you think you can see crab? Wow, take it off. Take it off. Of course you can. Go, go. Oh, nak, sunscreen sa to. Kaya kung ating mamadam. Oh.
Hi, vlog. Oh, I need to get the chips.
Mommy!
Guys.
Saka pa na liki.
Dari siya ni chips.
Sweet nilang buha di ati. Oy, paibog mo na sila ti.
Ibog nga buwang.
Mga teenager.
Paris! Party mix!
Kuha na tubig dyan?
Oh.
Hindi na tubig ko basta ka na. Saan tagbilad bitaw? Para sa mga tubig.
Ato na ta dito. Lita?
Ito?
Yeah, Daddy's already there. Oh, I'm gonna cross the river. Doon daw kami kasi mas maganda doon. Okay, hang on. Mama will carry you here. I'll put you down. There, oh, na yung nanay si, oh. So, there. So, oh. What's this? Guys, yung mga bato-bato. Brings back memories.
ang Serena. Serena sa suba. Beautiful, baby. Sit, Nanay C. I'll take photo with Nanay C.
I want to go to daddy. Daddy.
Agoy, goy, goy.
Oh my God.
Okay?
This is so good, diba? Kaya makaligo ka nga. Hindi ka mag-good ba? Sa Melbourne, hindi ko mag-good boy ba?
Let's go. It's okay.
Hello?
Okay?
Ooh.
Wanna swim?
I think once you're in. In na din. Ako na nagtawa akong bil-bil. Ang bil-bil ni Manang.
Thank you for the experience, Ati. Ang mga Serena sa suba. Sobrang ganda dito, guys.
Oh, wow.
Relax lang, tino. Wala ako pa anything. Kasi great. Sana ako sa Ati Jolden na. Just do it. Nike. Uy! You just do it. I am Adidas. What's in there? Ay, panghilabot ka na, encantada diri. Biya po. Biya po, tingnan nyo.
Asa sa baba ka nang nakita mo? Uy, ano nga na dito, biling nato.
Biya po, pero biya po.
Tabi apo. Ito nga, tabi apo.
Ito sama ako ko, just colored. Taas lang tubo, tingnan. Pailan mo na nag-French tip.
Wala kay kuya.
Just colored. Kaya po, ipuripot kayo nga dato.
Ako tinawa ako mga kuwan ang kuko, kulit may kuwan.
Ha, ako bita, ako lang pwede po.
Okay.
Wala, gina nang madalik-dikti. Hindi ako ba ito na dalik-dik na? Asus, nanggawas na laging mga kuan. You like it, Paris? Yes. So, pancha. Para ko kuan. Sige, nagtanaw po over there. Oh. Naghinom ba ni siya beer? Unsa po man?
Hi. Ha?
Oh, well done. Nanghawas. Nagpatulog. Nagpa-drone din si Ando. Break time. Mayroon silang chippy.
Not the short. It's not good.
Oh, no.
Cabana. Crackers.
I think once they come out.
Isang basa pa kami, guys. Mag-dip pa kami again.
Are you sizzling?
Oh, like people. Grape. Like cheese, grapes everyone.
Tingnan si Paris ng grapes eh. Do like that lang, facing that way. In the water. Like that. Do you know what I mean? Whoa. Like this ba? When you under the water, sweetie. Wow.
Just like I'm surfing.
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 Like that. So cold. Careful, baby.
Oh, hang on.
They're setting up the gazebo now. Mag barbecue ata.
Daddy
Daddy
doll.
daw.
Daddy.
What are they
Daddy,
doing?
just shiny it. It's okay. Daddy doll. Hi guys. Yummy. Yummy. Hi guys. Hi Daddy. Daddy. Daddy, what are you doing?
What you doing?
Eva? I'm there, Gawa.
Careful, baby. Meow.
I got a teammate.
Sorry, baby.
Okay, I found it. It's really easy to find it in the water. This is from a volcano, actually.
Alrighty peeps, it's about, I don't know, 57 degrees and we've just come back from the lake and now we are pulling into our residence now. Well, not our residence actually, Tito Greg's, and yep, we're just 4x4ing, four-wheeling in the Nissan Qashqai TI over some rough terrain.
That is very detailed.
Yeah, over some rough terrain, pulling up into the lush green grass now. As you can see, this is our little campsite. As previously mentioned, it is literally 1,000 degrees. And I'm quite worried about that. Our tent tonight is going to be so hot. Anyway, on that note, we shall see you later.
Adios.
Bye.
It's currently 4 o'clock ng hapon, guys. Nakaligo na si mami nyo. Yan. Yung mga kids ay nandiyan kasi they're going to set up the duyan. Shell naman ng mga ano, dito. Everything has got something na ganyan-ganyan.
They're not good.
Look at this. Kuan social na social na duyan. Oh. Oh, 'di ba? China oil.
It is a caterpillar.
No, it's not. It's a itchy one.
Wow, look at that link.
That's a Spitfire.
Ate Michelle's there as well. They've got a hammock there as well. So we're currently waiting for isa sa kanilang kaibigan na nandito kahapon. Actually, pupunta daw ngayon. Hapon na. I'm not sure kung pupunta pa sila, but anyways. Ayan, oh. Duyan!
There's like hairy caterpillars over there.
Which one?
Hairy caterpillars.
Oh yeah, no, don't touch that lang. That's
Spitfire.
yeah, that will make you itchy if you touch it.
I know, but toys. Okay, you check.
Can Daddy cook later?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How are you liking it
Yeah,
so far, Daddy?
it's good. I'm a man of the outdoors,
Are you loving it?
especially sleeping in the tent. It's my favorite. What's your favorite, Mummy?
Yeah, sleeping in the tent. No. So, pumunta pala kami ng town kanina, guys. Is Daddy Mike, gusto niyang bumili ng something to cook tonight kasi magpapakitang gila siguro siya. Magluto siya ng ano.
Lenny,
what are
what
you
are you
cooking tonight, Daddy?
What's she doing?
The scooter. What are you cooking tonight, Daddy?
Cooking chicken and spinach and pine nut sausages, kakadu plum stir fry, honey soy kebabs, Greek salad, and that's it.
Kasi birthday ng ano, nung friend nila na nito kahapon, pero hindi sila natulog dito. Kasi, ano, may trabaho daw siya kagabi. So, sabi nila babalik sila today kasi birthday niya. Sabi na, bumili kami ng cake. And oh, it was so funny, right? Kasi yun siya kahapon. First time ko siyang na-meet dito. So, nung pinakilala na ganyan-ganyan, sabi niya, nakita daw niya ako somewhere. Tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, hindi ko naman siya nakita somewhere. So sabi niya sa YouTube pala. Ay naku, nakita. Lumabas pala ang ating mukha sa kaniyang YouTube. Lini, come Ling! Ay, ayun na naman si Celine sa kanyang...
Full respect. The title's heavy for you. That's the thanks I get.
So nice lang?
Yes. Will it come? Just sit down on it. And then
Lini!
roll. Like this.
Look at ate lang! Anay, lahi man si Lini sa iyang bangag, eh.
Yay.
Lanak, ang gawas bitaw sa atong tent na kay murag Christmas tree, oh. Daghan kay bitay-bitay. Hi, we have another baby.
Ano lang siya lang ipakita, baby.
Asa kita mas siya? Look, is that you?
Yes.
The baby. Say hi. Yay. Hi, vlog. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, Josh, may bago kaming baby dito, guys. Oh, nagkaanak bigla siya ti Michelle. Dumating na sila. Say hi sa atong vlog, sis. Oh, dumating na si madam.
Madam ka dyan.
Jenny.
Hello, Jenny.
Jenny. Tingnan niyo, mag-ano din sila, mag-camping-camping din sila dyan. Mag-stay sila dito tonight. So, marami na kami dito tonight. The kids are here and Daddy Mike. Ate, drink water, te. Bob, did she drink water? Ah. Wow, it's a good kick. Wow, look at that. Daddy, what do you think? Do I look good with the boys?
Yeah. Wanna make one? You want the ball?
Dong, hi sa dito Dong B. Hi, are you my new baby? Instant baby. What? Is that you? Is that you? Huh?
Mamatay ko sa kainit nila.
Magbihong guys.
Geraldine.
Yes, I know. Not that because it might be crocodile.
Huh? No crocodile. Okay.
Yes, baby.
No crocodile. Mommy, pass it there.
Yeah, no, don't go there, ate. Come here, Ling Ling. Don't go near the water, yeah? Okay. See, may creek din sila dito, but this one like stuck lang na tubig ba? It's not flowing.
Mama, I mean carry.
Yeah, don't carry, baby. Tingnan itong mga bata to. What are you doing, Nini? Huh?
Don't walk.
What is that?
Walk.
Tell Ate there might be snake.
Let me try again.
Tell Ate there might be snake.
I see the snake. Oh. I was on target.
Ate, I don't want you to fall, Ate, please. I missed the happy birthday. I missed the happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Why she's avoiding birthdays? Maybe she's only
You want the cake?
Ani, we have to eat food first at Babigel. Yeah, I couldn't find it lang. I don't know where you left it, Baba.
I want a cake.
Cake? Cake.
I want cake.
Yes.
I want cake.
chocolate.
Kadagan ba nag...
I want a chocolate brown one.
Grand pa shark. Shark. Dami pa shark. Hoy. Where are you going? Where are you going?
But the big boo boo.
Yeah, look at the video. Look at the baby. Show me. The left foot, the right foot, up and above, up and above.
A few moments later.
Maghahating gabi na guys, and kung maririnig nyo, ang lakas ng tapak ng ulan. tulog na yung lahat kanina pa. And yung ating battery pala ay, you know, it's dying na. Pero ito, nai-end ko yung vlog natin. And it's so cool kasi first time natin dito sa loob ng tent. I'm not sure kung naririnig niyo ako guys. But first time natin na matulog sa tent na ganitong umuulan. Actually, it feels so relaxing guys. Anyways, we're going to end the vlog now. And bukas ay uuwi na tayo. So, makakapag-upload na tayo ulit. Thank you for watching guys. Good night. Stay tuned.